I use ChatGPT for creating marketing materials for deals. First step is to create a project folder for the specific deal. For example, the project I'm involved in is called Winston. So I created a folder. You can see I have created other folders as well. Stratton Park Apartments was the last deal we did. Once I create the folder, the first thing I do is upload the files related to the project. I uploaded the OM, underwriting Excel file, the CoStar reports, and also webinar slides, which my partner had created. So I put that information as well. So now when I start chatting with this, it's going to refer to these files and pull information, right? It's going to be very easy to create, say, marketing emails, social media post, or even a new presentation. So I'll show those steps in a future video.